Hello, I'm Florian from Anyflexo. Today we'll show you a way how to print on very large designs with corrugated board. Welcome to another Anyflexo tutorial. This technique is, by the way, a very good example of the possibilities you have with flexo printing. If you have designs that are super large, like for example 3 meter wide, there is a way to double the format by matching two photomer polymer plates next to each other. The work begins in the design and pre-press. First, make sure you reduce the number of elements affected by the plate joint. Especially no solid areas or texts should be divided by it. Then, choose your backing material so that it reduces the overall weight and enables good repositioning. Ideal choice is always a PE foam with a smooth non-woven surface like Innovolux. There is no need to use any edge sealer whatsoever in the joint area. Remember, we want to get a seamless look. And then you take it to the press. That's it. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and see you now in the next tutorial.